guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my curls. So my hair has been up in a curly bun for 3 to 4 days now, and I want to wear it out today. So I'm just going to show you my quick and easy routine of what I do to get it from a bun to out and nice and voluminous. So as you can see, my bun is very curly. So the products that I'll be using today is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Leave-In Conditioner and the Strengthen and Grow Hair Serum. So I like both of these products because I like to use this one just on my scalp just to promote growth. I like to do scalp massages periodically, and then this one is just going to be the product that I put in my hair to kind of revive my curls. And if I need to, I'll use some water. If not, I won't. And then I'll also be using the Shea Moisture 100% Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And I'll be using this product for just any of my problem areas that I've been having any breakage or that I notice are a little thinner than other places, and I'll just massage that in to help promote growth there. So let's get started. I'm going to take out my hair and we can get to it. So this is what I'm starting with. It's not bad, it's just, you know, I look a little crazy. So I'm gonna first start by just shaking my hair out, kind of getting it into a shape that I like. That's better. So now that it's shaken out and I'm looking a little more lively, I'm gonna take the hair serum and just drizzle it throughout my scalp and then massage it in. This is just a good step to make sure your roots are nice and moisturized, because a lot of times I forget about my scalp. Like, I'm so worried, oh my god, I want my curls to be bomb, that I really can sometimes neglect my actual scalp. Ooh, and it just feels really good. Now that I have my serum in, I'm going to move on to my trouble spots. So I have 2 thinner spots right here. So I'm just going to take a pump of black castor oil and then rub those there. So just gently massaging the black castor oil where I need it, to hopefully get these places to start growing, because your girl needs hair there. Now that that's done, I'm gonna spritz my hair with just a little bit of water all over. Not too much because I don't want my hair to revert or to shrink up. I just want it to be ready for some product, and then I'm gonna take some of the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so after all the products, after the one product is in my hair, then I'm just going to use a wide tooth comb to pick it out a little bit and give it some volume. Okay, so this is the final result. I just zhuzhed my hair a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but I just have a lot more volume, a lot more definition. Overall, I love it. This is a quick and easy, simple way to refresh your curls. If it's been in a bun for a couple of days, you want to give it a little moisture, get your scalp feeling good, and just have a bomb, voluminous style. So if you like this video, definitely leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!